If you're running a business, hiring the right people and training them takes a huge amount of time. And most of it comes down to manually creating tests and assessments, grading them one by one, and hoping nobody cheated. But there is a tool called ProProfs Quiz Maker that can completely automate this process by allowing you to turn any document, PDF, or video into a full professional quiz in seconds using AI. Plus, it grades everything for you automatically, and it even has built-in proctoring so nobody can cheat. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to use it so you can create secure assessments for hiring, onboarding, and training your team, even if you never made one before. So let's get started. Now the first thing that you have to do is to go over to proprofs.com/quiz school, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you simply need to come over here to the top of the page and create an account. And once you create your account, you will be brought over in this interface over here, where you can also see thousands of already pre-built quizzes for multiple roles in a company. For example, we have employee onboarding quiz for remote sales employees. We also have beginner level digital marketing quiz. We have Facebook advertisement strategy assessment and a bunch more quizzes, which I would strongly suggest that you explore by yourself. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom quiz, which you can do by simply coming over here and clicking on the create a quiz button. Now this is going to bring you over in the ProProfs Quiz Maker page, where all you have to do is to simply describe what kind of quiz you want to generate. And what I really like about this is that ProProfs accepts multiple inputs, like you describing your quiz with simple text, but they also give you the option to upload PDFs, different documents, images, and also videos, which the AI can then take, analyze, and create a quiz based on that. And since I'm going to create a quiz to onboard any people that I hire in my AI startup that is called Filect, I actually went over and created this PDF document where I go through all the procedures I want them to follow, like how the onboarding should work, what they should do in day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, etc., along with some more instructions that a new hire would definitely need to know. And what I'm going to do is I will simply come over here and I'm going to upload this SOP PDF that I have created, so now ProProfs can access it and create my quiz based on that. And since I uploaded a PDF, I don't really need to describe anything in just plain text. That's why I only wrote, hey, I want you to create a quiz about my AI startup called Filect. And now all I have to do is to simply come over here and click on generate quiz. And this is going to spin up the ProProfs AI, which is first going to analyze my idea, gather on the content that it needs, then it's going to start crafting the questions, and once it does that, it is going to finalize my quiz and return it over to me so I can then edit it, which as you can see, it literally just did in 10 or 15 seconds, which is honestly very impressive. And now I can preview the result that I created. As you can see, here are all the questions that it generated for me, and there are currently 8. But if I wanted more questions, I could simply tell it that, hey, I actually want more questions, make it 30 questions long, and it is going to go over and make these changes for me. And what I also really like about ProProfs that I haven't seen any other AI tool have is the fact that you can actually prompt the AI to generate you questions that have images and videos inside them. So then the users can take a look at the images or the videos and answer based on those. And just so you guys can see this working in practice, I basically uploaded the same exact document and I just wrote, I also want you to include some images in the questions that you have. And if I click on generate quiz, this is going to generate me a similar one, but this time it is also going to include images in the questions. Plus, once your quiz is fully generated, then you have the option to edit each one of the questions and possible answers. So if ProProfs AI generated something that you don't like, you can simply come over here and manually customize it and make it say whatever you want. Along with you having the option to add in another option in your potential answers, which can be an image, it can also be a video response, it can basically be whatever you want. And if you want to change the way the questions are being displayed, you can simply navigate over in the popular themes tab, where you can switch the theme that your questions are going to have from all the pre-built themes that ProProfs gives you access to. Now, I personally really like this one, so I'm going to keep it. And then once I'm satisfied with the changes that I have made, I can actually come over here and preview them either as an instructor or as a quiz taker. Now let me preview them as a quiz taker to see exactly how the quiz will look. And as you can see over here, I'll just have to fill in my information and then the quiz would start, and then I would have to answer all of the different questions about Filect, which would require me to actually understand how people in that company do things, and this can really help onboard me significantly faster. Now obviously answer them at random, and as you can see over here it's telling me whether the answers were correct or incorrect. Now again I totally answered them completely randomly, and I got a 37.5% score, which is obviously not very good. And now that I actually tested the quiz and I see that I really like it, then what I have to do is to simply come over here and click on the save button, which is going to save all the changes that I have made. And if I want to share this quiz with anyone, all I have to do is to navigate over in the send section, where then I can either share this through email by simply putting the person's email address over here, or I can even share it via this custom URL and even with a unique QR code. Plus, if I navigate over in the report section, since I'm an admin, I will be able to see all the responses from the people that took this quiz. And as you can see over here, I can see my exact response that I gave before, which is for Damian and for this email address, and I can see their exact score, and I can basically click on it and see exactly what they got right and exactly what they got wrong, which can really help me onboard any new people in my company. And now the last thing that I want to show you, and honestly a very unique feature that makes using ProProfs to create quizzes a no-brainer, is over here inside the settings tab, because if I click on the settings tab and I navigate over in the security section, you can see that I can basically customize my quiz security exactly as I want, which means I can set who is going to have access to this quiz, whether people will be able to copy things from inside it or not. I can also disable tab switching, which is honestly a super powerful feature, because that means that they basically cannot cheat on this quiz since they will not be able to tab switch. Plus, I can block retakes from certain IPs so people don't try again and again to complete it at 100%. And I also have the option to enable proctoring if I want, to fully make people not able to cheat, along with some more settings that can increase the security of my quiz, which I really wanted to show you because literally no other AI tool gives you access to these settings. While these settings can be very useful if you're a serious professional running a serious company. Plus, they also give you access to a webcam monitoring option where you will be able to monitor the webcam of the person while he's taking the quiz to make sure that he's not cheating through his environment either. So that is how you can create quizzes with ProProfs Quiz Maker, and if you want to try it out completely for free, I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below, so make sure you click on it, you sign up for an account, and you create a quiz that your new employees need in order for them to get trained and get onboarded faster. And I will see you in the next video.